I'm Ophelia. Pleasure to meet you, I think. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Art's my passion, alright? I'm not weird. Well, Ophelia, I think our rivalry's ended. Huh? That's questionable. In my defense, you are weird. Do not call me Ashlyn. Yep, I'm the vice president. I could just lend you a couple $100. The club president? That's me. Oh, do I have paint on my face? What's wrong? Hey, you can talk to me if you want. Well, it's the art gang. Being nice doesn't get you anywhere. Pathetic. Just pathetic.